Hello student, here we discuss about chemical bonding. Here which one odd one out, which is having zero dipole moment, or which is polar, which is non-polar, as well as hybridization we will see among PTCl4 2 negative, PCl5 BCl3 ammonium, and then methane SF4 BF4 1 negative, NH4 1 positive, BF3 BCl3. Dipole moment and hybridization of these species also we will discuss over here. Okay, so in this way we will see dipole moment as well as hybridization in all these cases. So first of all we will go for this methane SF4 BF4 1 negative and ammonium ion. Among these A, C and D, they are sp3 hybridized, and see the regular tetrahedron geometry, and they are symmetrical as well as non-polar molecule because mu is equal to 0 here. But in case of SF4 it is sp3 dehybridized, seesaw structure is there, geometry will be seesaw, and mu is not equal to 0, so it is a polar molecule. So which one odd man out? SF4 is odd man out because it is having different hybridization than the rest of the others, as well as mu is not equal to 0, it is polar molecule, or rest others are this is polar and the rest others are non-polar molecule. Now we'll go for the next one. Here BF3 and BF4 1 negative also we will see. BF3 electron deficient compound, 120 degree bond angle is there. sp2 hybridization will be there. Here it is sp2 hybridized, and there here it is sp3 hybridized. Okay, so regular tetrahedron here geometry, and here trigonal planar geometry. But remember, surprisingly both are symmetrical. Mu is equal to 0 in both the cases because they are symmetrical molecule. So dipole moment of both of them is 0. BF3 is having 0 dipole moment, BF4 1 negative is also having 0 dipole moment. Now we'll go for this question. Here NH3, we know that NH3 is sp3 hybridized, PTCl4 2 negative. It is square planar. Okay, it is square planar. This is complex compound. It is square planar. Clear? Hybridization will be DsP2. And in case of PCl5, we know sp3 dehybridization, trigonal bipyramidal structure. BCl3 is sp2 hybridized, and it is having trigonal planar structure. We have discussed just BF3 here, and this is BF3. If we replace F by Cl, so it will become BCl3. Okay, so angle will be 120 degree in this cases also. So BCl3 120 degree angle. Okay, 120 degree, and trigonal planar structure. Clear? All the best. God bless you. Remember all these things. This practice needed to get full marks.